How to buy PYTH network token. So this token came under the symbol of PYTH. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money or on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check their account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, go and engage with their community. They have 817 members on their community. Now, to be able to buy this token, as you can see, this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Open your fund to for that. Now here, click on swaps. Make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and place the token on this. So as you can see, this also can click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now that select provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure here to read all of that information here and click on solve. So after that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here, as you can see, or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy PYTH token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.